In this video, we're going to take a look at pitched square foot takeoffs. You typically use these for things like drywall for ceilings, roof areas, or even landscaping. We'll go through how to set and adjust pitch after drawing, how to handle multiple pitches, and some tips to make the process easier. Jumping into my Build Exact account, I'm going to be using the example of drywall for the ceilings. I'm going to head over to my line item and over to the column of UOM or unit of measure. I'll type in SF for square feet, then click the takeoff tool. Once you're in the takeoff tool, just go up to the top and select what shape you want to draw with. I'm going to use the polygon tool. That allows me to create a custom shape, and I'll start to zoom in. And the way we establish pitch is going to be up again in our toolbar over to the far right where we see this little 0 degrees. And if you hover over any of these, it'll tell you what it is. So angle/surface pitch. When I click into there, that's where I can put my pitch. And for this example, I'll say that this is a 5/12 pitch. And to close up this little box, I'm just going to click that tab once more. It is closed. And I've also got the option to color code. I find this especially helpful when you have different pitches to color code things as you go. But I will start with the polygon as always. Just click the corner, drops down a little green dot, and then it'll follow me click by click. A common question we get asked is, how does the system calculate the square footage when the surface faces different directions? And the math is straightforward. If the pitch is consistent across the whole space, it doesn't matter which way the plane faces. It treats everything as one continuous surface at that pitch. All right, and then another helpful thing you can do is turn on the labels, which are located over on the right-hand side. I'll click that tab on. And labels are just going to show you that exact measurement you did for that particular shape. This is also handy if maybe you realize that this isn't 5/12, maybe it's 4/12 or something different. And you've already drawn the shape, you don't want to have to redraw it all over again. You can click in that label and you can change the pitch. You can also change the color. So if 4/12, you want that to be orange, you can make it orange. Same concept if you forgot to put the pitch up at the very top before you started drawing. Turn on the labels, click into that label, make your change. This, of course, would work excellent with a roof plan set. So there's a roof plan set. You can see there's all of our pitches. And I've got 5/12, I've got 6/12. Again, I would do the same thing I did earlier, and I would just get creative with the color coding so I can visually see the differences of the different pitches. But once you're done drawing, you'll, of course, press accept and save. Our square footage will pull back into our estimate, and you're all set.